Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, today we are looking at Zanele Mbokazi's biography. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. So Zanele Mbokazi is a co-founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards. Her full name is Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule. She was married to the Nkambule family. People also called her MaZZ, which was her nickname. She was born on 7 November 1971. She was born in Durban, in KwaZulu-Natal, where she also grew up. So she went to the University of Natal, and then her occupation was preacher, evangelist, TV presenter, as well as entrepreneur. Her husband's name is Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule, who is also the father of her children. So Zanele Nkambule had for her matric at Francis College in Mariannhill. She enrolled at the University of Natal, which is now known as the University of KwaZulu-Natal, where she completed her BA degree majoring in English and politics. So she is a television personality, and she holds a BA in honors degree in media and communications, and one of her qualifications is a PR diploma from Damelin. So later in 1995, she became a presenter of gospel music programs and talk shows at Ukhozi FM in Durban. She also began to do television work. In 1997, Zanele Mbokazi started to work as a news and current affairs presenter. For SABC1, she began to present the gospel music program called Ihora Lokudumisa. Zanele Mbokazi launched her public relations company called Mira PR in 1999. She presented the gospel show Gospel Gold and also started producing the show in 2007. So Zanele Mbokazi, after 20 years of not being on air, she returned to Ukhozi FM on 2 April 2023 to host a Sunday gospel show, Indumiso, which is the show that she was hosting when she unfortunately lost her voice and then she started getting sick. So she was diagnosed with lung cancer in May, and then she unfortunately lost her life in the early hours of May at the Netcare Parklands Hospital in Durban. So Zanele Mbokazi was also the author of 4 books titled This Battle Is Not Yours, which was published in 2005. The other one is titled Push, You Are Closer Than You Think, which was published in 2015. The other one is Before the Vows, also published in 2015. And also the last one is titled Dear Daughter, which was published in 2017. So Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, she has been married to Pastor Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule since 2011, and she was a mother to her beautiful children. She was a wife, she was a sister, she was also a preacher in church. She was also so bubbly, she will be remembered for that, and she was a people's person. So may her beautiful soul rest in peace. We have lost a legend, guys. We have lost a legend. She was a prayer warrior, and she was just a woman of God, She was a woman of God. That's all I have for you today. Please subscribe. Please like this video. I will see you on my next one.